The dumping of artificial white sand in Manila Bay has violated several laws, this according to an environmental group. The health department also warns of health risks that may come from inhaling dolomite dust. Shaila Francisco with the details.
The nourishment project under the Manila Bay rehabilitation continues in Baywalk, with synthetic white sand now covering more areas. Geotextiles are also now in place to prevent sand from being washed away. However, some environmental groups are exploring options to stop the project. Oceana Philippines claims that the project violates at least 5 laws that require an environmental impact assessment or public hearing for any project involving critical areas or cultural heritage.
When the issue first erupted, that we have been telling na kailangan may thorough environmental impact assessment. Yan, never sila sumagot na ginawa nila yun. Kasi kung ginawa nila yun, dapat may public consultations.
Meanwhile, the health department flags potential health hazards that might be brought by dolomites in Manila Bay. Among them are respiratory ailments and eye infection.
Hindi naman po natin sinasabi na when you go to Manila Bay, you'll get it at once. Sinasabi po sa mga medical literatures, first, yung dolomite dust, pag naging dust na siya, nag-aerosolize sa air, it can cause respiratory issues or effects to a person. Also, kapag napunta sa mata, nagkakaroon ng konting irritation and you just have to wash it off with water. The third, kapag na-ingest. Pag na-ingest ito, it can have parang discomfort sa gastrointestinal system natin.
Oceana Philippines and other environmental groups are now calling on the Congress, the Ombudsman and the Cebu government to investigate the white sand dumping. The provincial government of Cebu is still assessing whether there is a need for further probe on the matter. This after the Mines and Geosciences Bureau Region 7 confirmed that it had issued a permit for the transport of 3,500 wet metric tons of dolomite from Cebu to Manila. The agency also notes that a mining firm has an ongoing permit to mine the area in Alcoy, Cebu for 25 years or until 2030. But some Cebu officials said the Bureau should have also coordinated with the government, even if big mining projects are not required to seek permission from the provincial government.
Feel namin, we're like being robbed of our resources here in Cebu without the necessary coordination by the Cebu province.
Vice President Leni Robredo and Fishers Group Malacayo also noted that the budget could have been realigned to other programs such as feeding the people and planting mangroves. The Environment Department defends the rehabilitation program's budget, which costs over 380 million pesos, saying it was part of their 2019 budget. While they realigned funds for some projects amid the COVID-19 pandemic, the DENR said that this was not included as it is considered a priority project, with the Supreme Court Pandamus ordering them to clean the bay. DENR Undersecretary Benny Antiporde said that the project does not need any environmental impact assessment or public consultation.
Hindi to yung gagawing bago. Inayos lang, pinaganda lang. So, we don't think na kailangan ng any environmental impact assessment to. This is just an enhancement activity, no? Hindi to construction, hindi rin ito reclamation. Dating merong beachfront yan, meron niyang sand, no? It's just that nilagyan lang natin ng white sand sa ibabaw ng 1 meter.
Despite the absence of assessment, DENR insists that the program underwent studies and research. Amid criticisms from environmental groups, the agency said that the project will still continue and that they are open to any investigation. Shaila Francisco, VR1 News.